The following is brought to you by PaulAkers.net.
Okay, little 3S'ing and further improvement on my truck organization. So when I got in this morning, I couldn't find my keys because I normally just throw them there. But there was a few other things in there, so that didn't work. So I decided to cut a place into the foam for that. And it's allergy season, so I've got my eye drops here, which I use often. And so I put those in there. Still got my EpiPen, still have that. I did a little more wire management down there. And I shaped and cut my foam a little better so it fits in my seat a little better. But here's the best thing of all. I call this the Glee improvement. So sometimes when I'm opening my EarPod case, I'll pull it out and I'll drop it down my seat. And you know what that does? That frustrates you to no end. So I call this the Glee improvement. Greg gave me the idea of putting this foam there so when you drop things, it doesn't go down the seat. I did it on my Lexus, but I didn't do it on the truck yet. So this morning I made that improvement because just recently I did drop it down there and now I'm not emotionally frustrated at work. Oh yeah, I know what you guys are thinking. You're saying, Paul, you leave your keys in your car and you leave your wallet in your car? Yeah, you know why? Because I still believe in America and most people are honest, good, and decent.
Brought to you by PaulAkers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2-second Lean Play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2-second Lean Play app at PaulAkers.net.